Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And how are you all doing today? Well, today I have a package that came from Amazon in this box that has been sent over to me by Jenna from Amazon. It is in representation of the Consasy company, and it is the magnetic foldable wireless charger 3-in-1. And I am so excited to show this to you all. This is a Consasy 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger. It's magnetic, it's 3-in-1 wireless charging station, travel charger for iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series, AirPods Pro 3, 2, and iWatch 2 through 8 Ultra with adapter, and that is all inside here, and it sells currently on Amazon for $33.99. Now sometimes they have a coupon that will apply 15% off, sometimes they don't. You'd have to look for that on the Amazon page when you're checking out, when you have clicked the link for this particular product, and I will have a link down in my description for convenience if you're interested. You do get free shipping with Prime if you have Prime, but we're going to check this out and see how it works. I want to tell you a little bit about it. It says it's ultra portable and compact. It's designed for a modern on-the-go lifestyle. Our foldable wireless charger 3-in-1 is incredible, portable, and compact, and I'd say by the box size that's true. The foldable design of the travel charger for iPhone and Apple Watch ensures easily slips into your bag or pocket, crafted with travel and convenience in mind, making it a perfect travel companion. Revolutionary magnetic alignment for effortless charging. Embrace the future of wireless charging with magnetic capability. Consasy revolutionized the wireless charging experience with our powerful magnetic alignment technology. Advanced magnets and upgraded coil works in tandem to provide precise alignment, eliminating the frustrations of traditional wireless charging setups. With a single hand motion, your device securely snaps into place, eliminating the need for constant adjustments, which that's kind of nice. I got one like one that you check, I guess, plug in a long time ago, and I always had trouble making it connect, so maybe that's what it's talking about, and I'm sure that is. It's a cutting edge safety. It has built-in intelligence and advanced chipset. Consasy magnetic travel charger 3-in-1 regulates power output automatically and provides foreign object detection function. This built-in technology provides protection against potential hazards like short circuits, overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, or overtemperature. The magnetic 3IH1 charger offers a thermal protection sensor and features heat dissipation hole design on the bottom to minimize heat buildup. Well, that's really good to know too, because you don't want something catching on fire or shorting out on you. It's streamlined charging. You experience an ultimate convenience with our 3-in-1 wireless charging station that seamlessly combines a charging pad, a charging stand, and magnetic charging capabilities all in one sleek device. Simplify your charging routine like never before, keeping all your essentials organized in reach. Use it as a flat charging pad when you need to power up your device, or effortlessly transform it into a sturdy charging stand for freehand usage while watching videos. Ooh, that's a nice little feature. Modern innovation for your space. Elevate your charging experience with our cutting-edge foldable charger 3-in-1 designed to enhance convenience, portability, and style. Choose Consasy for a charging companion that blends style, functionality, and reliability. Bid farewell to clutter and embrace sleek. Reliable charging, merging convenience and aesthetics effortlessly, whether at home, at office, or on the move. Your 3-in-1 travel charger will keep your devices powered up elegantly. So that's a lot. That's a powerful statement. And that's what this has to offer. And we're going to open it up and check it out here. And they've got it packaged up real well. And I want to thank Consasy for having Jenna send this over to me, free for review. And when you open it up, we see a gray little, I think this is a carry bag to carry your charger in. Very nice. It's nice, soft, velvety. And then when we open it up, we have our charger. And then it's got a message from Consasy. Please rest assured of Consasy, as every product sent to you has gone through a series of quality inspection processes. Your safety and satisfaction is our pursuit. If you have any problems during use, please feel free to contact us at support@consasy.com or consasy.com. So hey, that's really nice. They're really standing behind their product. When I take this out, we have this, and this is very good quality. Now inside here, you also get a plug-in, which is great. You know, a lot of times you get a cord that has the USB, but you don't get a converter for the plug-in. So I love that feature. That's a great thing to have that as an accessory, all included. So that is a plus for me. And I'm gonna undo this wire, and you would just put that in there. And then right here we have the charging station, and you just open it up, and I think you can use it either way because it says it could stand as well. So we have this, and if you have AirPods, which I don't have any AirPods, but you can charge AirPods up with this and or your iPhone watch. And it shows a picture on there how that can be done when you open it up. And of course it has to be charged up, and I do not know if it's been charged up enough to do any charging at this time. Now this is my husband's i12 mini, and so I'm going to place it on here and see if I can see if it's going to be charging. Okay. Well, you do have to fully charge this before you can use it. And I have this plugged in, and then I have my adapter, and I'll have to plug this into the electricity, of course. But when you do plug it in, and I won't be able to show that to you because I don't have a plug-in right here. When you plug it in right here, those three lights light up. When it's fully charged, they will stay on and let you know that it's all on. And then the way that you know which one you're using is in the instructions. It shows you the iWatch is at the top, the iPhone's in the middle, and the AirPod down below. When the indicator light is on, it's in charging mode, and when the indicator light is off, that means it's in standby or it's not charging at all. So it's real simple to use, and you would just open this up and you would place your iPhone right here, just like that, and it would charge while it's sitting on there. And then over here, if you have your iPods or your iWatch, you would set those right here, and they both sit there flat, just like they were saying. But it looks like a great charger. I love the simplicity of it. Look how small and easy this is to carry. And then this is your charging stations over here, and you just can easily carry this around, have it in your bag. It even comes with a carry case to keep it nice and snug. If you're going on vacation and you want to keep it fully protected, you can have it inside here. You even have room inside this bag to put your charging cord and your adapter. So you can get it all in there and have it all set to go when you're going on vacation or a business trip, or if you just want it tossed into your bag so that you have it for emergencies, that you can easily pull it out and start charging your phone. So that's what I would recommend anyways. But I think this is a great little product. What do y'all think? Have any of you ever bought this product? Do you have any idea on the use of it? And I don't know if it says how long it takes to charge. And it shows you how you can stand it in order to watch a movie, and they show you that right there. And it says before charging, for a faster charge performance, please follow these steps. And what they want you to do is fully charge it. They want you to update your iPhone to 15 and up, and they want you to have the settings on it according to the battery. So like I said, it's very simple, and it's very compact, very easy to go. And as they were saying, it's not going to overheat. It's got mechanisms in it to prevent that from happening and to shut it down if it was to get too hot for your protection. So this is a great little device, and I love how easy peasy it is and how lightweight it is. It is a good durable quality product as far as what it's made out of. And again, it folds open, and that's your charging station. And I'm going to put it right back in this little bag. You can even keep your manual in here if you want to take it along with you. and or store it in there. And then, like I said, you can have all your components in there, and it's an easy 1, 2, 3, close it up. So you guys let me know, is this something that you would like for your iPhone? And as for Consasy and the 3-in-1 charger, that's all I have. And again, I'd like to thank Jenna and Consasy for sending this over to me free for review. And I look forward to seeing what your comments are and how this could help you with your iWatch, iPhone, or AirPods. But as for today and the Consasy 3-in-1 magnetic charger, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.